Hello viewers, I am going to show my YouTube channel Solution Engineers how to fix Roblox password. Reset could not coming. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. First open tap on Roblox. Open click on information. Open clear storage and clear cache. Clear cache and clear storage. Open permission. Enable permission all allow. Open phone setting. Scroll down. Click on app management. Open app list. Search Gmail. Clear storage and clear cache. Click on permission. Enable all permission allowed. Open Play Store and search Roblox. Already Roblox updated it. Now reset your phone. Open Roblox. So finally reset good problem solved. Thank you.